Hi everyone, Rami and Stuart here, and we want to show you how to spend a day in Greenock, Scotland.
Most people use this port as a quick jump-off point to visit Glasgow, but we discovered that if you stay in town, there's an incredible wealth of history and architecture just steps away from the ship.
So let's get started.
We are Rami and Stuart of the GloveTrotters, happily retired and traveling one adventure at a time.
We begin our morning at the Greenock Ocean Terminal. As we head out, we're taking the level path along the House Quay. We're passing the West College waterfront campus right in front of the Firth of Clyde, which is the body of water that we docked in. There's a really cool tribute called the Yardmen. It honors the generations of workers who've made Greenock a shipbuilding powerhouse. Just a bit further along is the House Square, home of the Greenock House Quay Ferry Terminal, and the Beacon Clock Tower, as well as the Beacon Auge Center. Just behind the square is the massive white Admiralty Anchor monument. Great place to take a family picture. A big local favorite is the bronze statue of Ginger the horse. Ginger's a tribute to the working horses that once hauled heavy loads to and from the harbors and the mills. As we turn inland toward the town center, we take a break in a key store on Cathcart Street to explore and also to grab a couple quick snacks. This leads us right into the heart of town, Cathcart Square. This area is home to three major landmarks all in one place. First, there's the Wellpark Mid-Kirk, a 1760s church with a steeple that sailors once used for navigation. Right next to it is the soaring Victoria Tower, standing nearly 245 feet tall. In the center is the ornate Lyle Fountain. It's a tribute to Greenock's sugar barons. Unfortunately, the Clyde Square was closed for renovations, but we did get a glimpse of the Men of the Clyde statue, which honors the Greenock's industrial roots. One of our favorite stops today is the Greenock Fire Museum. It's located in the original 1887 fire station, and it's just packed with history. We spent quite a bit of time looking through the vintage fire engines, old brass helmets, official dress uniforms, and a real interesting collection of vintage gas masks. Stepping back outside, we're surrounded by the vibrant pink cans and cherries and white wild cherry blossoms. We popped inside the Oak Mall shopping center to get a feel for the local outlets and to give Grandma, frankly, a well-deserved break. Heading east, we discovered one of Greenock's most interesting landmarks, old abandoned churches. The former St. Andrew's Church is a beautiful Tudor Gothic building from 1835, but today it actually houses the Piper's Superstore. I think it's a furniture store. Heading up the bubbly Jock Bray, which is local slang for turkey on a hill, I discovered two other beautiful gems. There's the former St. George's North Church, which is currently being converted into a furniture store, and the former George Square Congregational Church, which as of our visit still had no buyer. As we start making our way back to the pier, we see the Havelock Building and Greenock's oldest pub, the Black Cat Bar. Our last stop in town is Scotland's answer to Costco, which is the Tesco Extra. It's huge, with everything from fresh fruit and magazines to a whole bunch of household products. Our journey ends back at the terminal with an art show featuring local artists and a gift shop, which is set up on the main floor. In all, we've walked a 1.7 mile loop today. Our route was almost entirely flat, very manageable, and the cherry blossoms were just amazing. Our walking time was just under 3 hours to see everything. Our 91-year-old great-grandma had a wonderful time, and as always, we got to experience yet another amazing port town, Greenock, Scotland.
We are the GloveTrotters, and we hope you enjoyed exploring Greenock, Scotland with us. For more travel guides and inspiration, visit us at theglovetrotters.com. And if you loved this video, please make sure to subscribe and explore with us. We can't wait to see you on our next adventure.